Oh, that felt weird.
Oh yeah, because it's the 4-wheel turn.
Oh.
Now you ready?
Yeah.
Actually, let me make sure it's in sport mode. Dynamic sport. Yeah, fuck it.
I went the other way.
Oh shit!
Yo, hold that! That got me by surprise, bro. I'm looking around like, whoa!
It's just.
All right. Okay, you feel it in your chest, you know?
Yeah, you feel it.
Doing abs here.
Very weird.
Yeah, I kind of feel it. Jeez.
Just that initial like kick you in your seat.
It does.
Yeah, it pushed me back.
It does.
Yeah. Yeah, it's fully loaded.
On driving, does it go back to like factory height, or is it does it stay?
You can change it a little bit.
Yeah.
But right now it's set to low.
Okay.
So, but you could put different ride modes where you could drive around with it high or low or whatever you want.
So we're back again at the factory. Always with something. John, Mr. John Sharkey. He's the same guy who has the C33, the Speed Hunters one. And you would have seen his vehicle in my videos. You would have seen him in Larry Chen videos. Yeah, oops. The steering wheel. Anyway, we're in a Cybertruck. First time now I've driven in Teslas with from Ubers and so forth, but first time, and it's only recently they start releasing some of the vehicles to their customers who pre-ordered. And I think it's the first time I ever driving one that he manhandles this vehicle. Now he had it for a couple hours because we were at the we were at the dealership looking at the vehicle earlier this morning. Now it's nighttime, he makes a couple of runs and now he's here. But it's very, very, very interesting. If we're talking about Tesla, we obviously need to talk about the UI. Now, to me, the older ones had a more kind of iPhone, iOS kind of finish. This one looking like more on the Android side, or maybe they're starting to go to their own look in terms of software. Steering wheel is our same kind of short racing style steering wheel. You have your indicators, you have your lights, you have your wipers. But other than that, the car super plain. The car super plain. Don't look forward to no kind of full review of this vehicle. I just given him a first impression and my neck hurts. It have no grace period to get into the power. Like, usually gas powered vehicles you expect it, but this, as soon as you mash it down, this is like straight power. You're not gonna hurt 24/7 if it is you're not expecting it or you're not relaxed. But other than that, the controls and everything is like super simple. This is the foundation model, so it had like this kind of white. I don't think this is being all the models is what he was saying. It had this kind of white interior business here. Everything just like it is very different. This might be a short video. I want to get John to find out if it had anything, because I know he had it for a couple hours, so it would be nice to have an idea of what is his thoughts on the vehicle. Very, very sharp edges. It has like, it's literally sheet metal, it looks like. Panel style, so it's very, very, very sharp. Very, very sharp. Like I feel like I could cut my hand I could cut myself if I don't be too careful. Some big wheels, I don't know where's the, I want to say 6x139. Everything is like a smooth line and across, no door handles, everything is these buttons here to open the door. How do you yourself know what to say, what to expect? It's a surprise seeing it though. And it's very dirty.
I need a professional.
Yeah, it is very, very interesting to see it in person. Get to drive in it, you would have heard my reaction. It's like 0 to 100 literally in a couple of seconds in a short space of time. Alright, and we have the man. So you would have seen John before in the videos, C33, Speed Hunters. Is the man, right? So I know you would have had it for how long now? Because we met you this morning.
On like 7 hours.
All right,
no, 8
so,
hours.
So first question, have you ever had a Tesla before or an electric vehicle?
Yeah, my brother and I had a Tesla Model 3.
Model
dual
3?
motor. Yeah.
All right, so how you would compare that to this?
This is like, it's the same vibe, but this thing's a whole different animal. It's much more smooth, aggressive, comfortable.
Yeah.
It feels more defined.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Okay, so I just want to have an idea for these 6 hours you have it for.
Yeah.
What are so many things that sticks out to you?
Everybody wants to look at it, touch it, go for a ride, have some fun. Yeah, everyone's confused at it too. So people honking, beeping, thumbs up on the highways.
Yeah.
It's definitely a people puller.
Yeah, okay.
So, yeah.
Performance-wise?
Way over what I expected. It's not the quickest thing in the world, but it's definitely aggressively quick for what it is.
Yeah, you have a weight spec on this? Like,
I honestly don't know. I think it's close between 6 and 7, closer to 7. It's heavy.
Okay. You decided on a color yet? Because I know
we're doing some sort of white.
Yeah. White? Okay.
Yeah, definitely some sort of white for sure.
All right, okay, perfect. Well, can't harass the man for too long because he literally just rip it out the box. So, a Cybertruck, thanks for the drive.
You're very welcome.
My next still hits. Hopefully we might get an next drive around after, but we just sorting out some colors and then we're at factory and maybe I could stick a Kerry-Drift sticker somewhere until
I won't tell.
Goodbye. I'll put enough one time. Wait, this could probably stick here.
Nice.
So I know you put the stamp of approval in front.
Right.
Given that you wrap a lot of different vehicles, what's your impression on this? And like, what do you think will be the difficulty with regards to wrapping this vehicle?
So far, there are no difficulties because it's a flat panel.
Okay.
It is secretly a refrigerator. And I love that you can put the microphone on the car.
Yeah, we could just like.
So yeah, secretly is. It is quite cool. It is an absolute honor to get to wrap this thing, and it's one of the first 5 in New York. So it's pretty cool. I must thank John Sharkey and Express Diagnostics.
Yeah.
They always look out for me with these little weird, fun things.
Yeah.
We're gonna see if we get some small vinyl work done tonight and see how it goes. Yeah.
Well, I know you're always picking colors and stuff, so I guess we will see some more content on this.
Absolutely.
Very soon once you're finished.
Provided KJ decides to stay a week longer, we should be.
I would never reach back home. Alright, so that's the vibes, and well, who would have thought today was a random day and it had a Tesla Cybertruck in it. Vibes.
It's vibe.
Yes.